goodness, Jessica. This is so scary.
I know, I can barely stand it.
Hi, I'm Jimmy Wonton, and I'm here today to talk to you about your safety. We've all experienced those times when we're scared and afraid. That's why we at Brinks Standard Security have come up with the Brinks Standard Security Dial Combination Lock to help you dial down those fears.
Oh, wait, I've got the Brinks Standard Security Combination Lock. We're all safe now.
Oh, gee.
Get your Brinks Standard Security Dial Combination Lock for your safety. Available to you in stores for 3 easy installments of $9.99.99.